Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today was one of those days where I wanted to have a light shared platter for breakfast with my family. So I opened the fridge, saw a selection of veggies and plenty of halloumi cheese and knew exactly what to make. It may seem like a simple dish, and it is quite simple to make as well, but it's full of flavor. I'm using garlic infused olive oil and chili infused olive oil, but even plain extra virgin olive oil will do. I'm dipping all the halloumi slices in the olive oil, making sure they are fully immersed, then laying them out on a parchment sheet in my air fryer. Now for that flavor I was talking about, I've sprinkled both za'atar and sumac on the halloumi, making sure both sides are coated, then popping them in at maximum temperature in my air fryer and checking on them every 2 to 3 minutes. They will crisp up quite quickly, and I actually didn't leave them in there too long for this video, but for the future I would say 3 minutes on each side would be enough. And because I don't have enough space in my air fryer, I'm also pan frying halloumi, but first making sure to wait for the olive oil to really heat up before putting the cheese in there, so I can achieve a nice crisp on the outside without it cooking too much on the inside, so that the cheese doesn't dry out completely or burn. Obviously, there's not much else to pan frying the halloumi, just wait until they get crispy and golden on both sides and take them out. Depending on the thickness of the cheese and the type of pan or stovetop that you have, this could take up to 5 or 10 minutes on each side. While they're frying, I'm arranging the platter with cucumbers, rocca leaves, tomatoes, red cabbage, some kalamata olives, some lemon stuffed olives, slices of radish, and even more olives. Then I'm placing the halloumi on top, and I'd recommend drizzling some more olive oil on top of the whole platter, and if you have grenadine or pomegranate molasses, drizzle that on there too. Or if you have balsamic glaze or dressing, that would pair nicely as well. We had some Lebanese bread lying around, so I cut them into small pieces and tossed them in olive oil and threw them in the air fryer to crisp up as well, so that I could toss them onto the platter. After making the halloumi both ways, air fried and pan fried, I admit that even though the air fryer is much cleaner, simpler and quicker, I can't help but like the pan fried ones more, because there's just something about hearing the crackling of the olive oil and the thrill of dodging the raging flying drops of oil that aim for my arms that makes it more exciting and more delicious for some reason. So yeah, anyway, that's all I have for you today. This is one shared platter that we love to have around the house every once in a while. And if you prepare it any other way at your house, please let us know in the comments how, and give us some suggestions. And if you've made it this far, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!